Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to replace new cartridge into HP Laserjet M1005 MFP. For this, I am going to open this printer top cover and I am going to take out the existing old cartridge. For this, just press this notch, then the top cover will get lift up. Just to open the top cover, then remove the existing old cartridge. This is the way you have to take the old cartridge. See here, you have to keep like this your hand and remove the old cartridge. Then after that, take the new cartridge from the new cartridge box. First unbox the cartridges, right? So I did unbox. So now I am going to take out the cartridge. This is the new cartridge. Okay. So here there will be one knob. Here there will be one knob and one tape. Right. First I am going to remove this knob. See. Right. I have taken out this knob and keep away or throw it away or put into your dustbin. Right. So remove this knob also. Right. Then there is one tape. Remove this tape. Just pull out, then it will come out. It may be 1 meter scale, right? Length. It may be 1 meter scale length. Then just pull out. After taking out the tape, then the cartridge will be look like this, right? Okay, right? Then open the front cover. That is, just press here. Then lift up the cover. Then take this cartridge. Keep the cartridge like this. You have to keep the cartridge like this. You have to place inside. Right? After placing, just give the pressure. The cartridge will go and rest inside the printer. Meanwhile, press right side as well as left side. Press right side as well as left side. Then close the cover. Then switch on the printer. After switch on the printer, you wait little bit moment. So you will get a ready mode. Now which is getting initializing, you will get a ready mode, right? So after getting the ready mode, take the test page, press OK button, then right button, then OK button, then you will get a test page. 2 times you have to click the OK button. Now which is the test page is coming out. Right? This is the test page. See here. So you are getting the Pakka printout. So there is no dot at all. So how to take the test page? Press OK, then right button, then press 2 times OK. Then you will get like this test page. This is the way to take the test page in HP Laserjet M1005 MFP. This is the way to replace a new cartridge into the printer. This is the method you can apply for M1005, HP Laserjet 1020, HP Laserjet 1010, HP Laserjet 1018, HP Laserjet 1012. These things you can use the same method, right? Apply this method. Enjoy yourself. Have a nice day. Welcome.